everyone to a short training video on our virtual supplement dispensary. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a recommendation and then check out on the patient's behalf. First, we will open our demo patient, Paul Bunyan. On the left side, under the ordering section, I'll choose Supplements. On this screen, make sure that you have Virtual Dispensary chosen from the drop-down. Today I'll make a quick recommendation in our category section for the foundational category. At this point, I would let the patient know that I'll be making a supplement recommendation that will give them access to an online portal. If they would like, I'd be happy to place the order on their behalf. So I'll choose Order here, and typically you'd click OK, and the patient will receive an email and a text message asking them to fulfill this order on their own. In this case, we'll be choosing Checkout and fulfilling the order for them. This will put us directly into a new tab and a full script checkout. You'll see that I'm signed in as a practitioner for the patient Paul Bunyan in an in-office checkout. I would confirm that these are the products that I wanted to recommend, and I would click Proceed, which will bring me into the delivery. Here, I would put in Paul's address, and then I would click Proceed to the payment section. Typically, I'd have a blank box here to insert a credit card number. Then I'd click Continue to the confirmation page, and I would have Paul confirm that this is his shipping address, that he's using a credit card ending in 4242, and that there's a heat-sensitive product that FullScript is recommending to upgrade to priority shipping. Shipping's always free over $50, but in this case, a priority upgrade would be $4.95. I'd click Place Order, and we're done. The order is being processed. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please reach out to our virtual supplement dispensary specialist at 312-778-8767. Thank you.